Hi guys, today I will show you how I record my first song with my phone, only my phone. With the bandlap mobile app, I record my first song with my phone. Yes. And guys, you only need your earpiece to record it. And note, you can use bandlap to distribute your song to all major platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and the rest. Very easy, smart and easy. Yes, I use this a lot. Okay, let me show you how I record my first song with my phone. And with the effect, everything is normal. But first, what is bandlap? Bandlap app is the best way for us who live in Nigeria, Afrobeat, to record our song. With quality sound, you can record our song with bandlap, us who live in Nigeria. If you want to record your song, you only need your smartphone. Only need your smartphone and your earpiece or earset, anyone you have, anyone you can afford. Your smartphone, and you can actually distribute your song to all major streaming platforms. Yes, actually distribute it to all major streaming platforms. It will help you. Yes, it's some difficult times, but it's very easy. Smart, trust me, smart and easy. Let's get right to it. It's only my phone. I record the song. Yes, you have to go to your Play Store if you don't have the app. Go to your Play Store. Go Play Store, App Store, and download it. Now listen to the song. Pay attention. Genoese on the beating, man. I come with a story like I don't really know, but just take and slow.
Sleepless beat.
You don't first sit down for us, make your mind dey cut. You dey think how the beat like you don't join cut. The guy carry collapse and he no fit cut. That year na small believe, now we take the guy. Before you talk, body na material guy. That year until they advice, we know the year. Why you go pay for exam and you know the day. And to the jealous, now make them know the near. I'ma be stupid, now make me I know they care. Come from the trenches like talk, I know the fear. My opinion be say I hate truth or yeah. Wow, clap on, this sound is so quality. Wow, we need to celebrate this. You can play this in the studio anywhere you want. Very quality sound, like a studio sound. You can play it at the club, anywhere. If you want to learn more how to create this kind of effect, you have to subscribe for my next video. This is the effect that make the song sound so good. This is the effect I use to make the song sound so good. If you want to learn how to create effect, that will be my next video. For now, just showing you how I create my first song. Like I show you the way to create your first song. If you want to create only your earpiece, that's all. You create a good and very quality sound. If you want to create effect, I will show you my next video. Just comment effect, I will show you people. Okay, this is my effect, everything that I do to create a very good quality sound. This sound is very good, standard like a studio sound, very good.